Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a sprint system in Roblox Studio with a stamina bar. When you hold shift, your character will run faster, the stamina bar will drain, and when you stop, it will refill. Let's get started step by step. First, open your game in Roblox Studio. In Explorer, we're going to use two things: Starter Guide for the Stamina Bar UI and Starter Player Scripts for the Sprint script. That way, every player will get the interface and the script automatically when they spawn. Right-click Starter Guide, insert a screen guide, and name it Stamina UI. Inside that, add a frame and call it BarBG. This will be the background of the stamina bar. Position it near the bottom center of the screen. I use position equals 0.5, 0, 0.92, 0, and size equals 0.35, 0, 0.05, 0.0. Change the background to a dark gray so it looks nice. Now, inside BarBG, add another frame and name it Bar Fill. Set its size to full. 1, 0, 1, 0. Pick a bright color like green or blue so it stands out. This is the part that will shrink as stamina drains. Finally, add a text label inside BarBG. Name it Bar Text, set the background transparency to 1, turn on text scaled, and write 100% for now. This will display the stamina percentage. So now you should have Stamina UI with BarBG inside and then Bar Fill and Bar Text inside that. Next, go to Starter Player Scripts, right-click, and insert a local script. This is where the sprint system will live. Paste the script I'll explain. Here's how the script works. At the top, we connect to Roblox services, user input service to detect shift, run service for our main update loop, and players to get the local player. Then we grab the stamina bar UI by waiting for stamina UI, BarBG, Bar Fill, and Bar Text. Next, we set up some variables you can tweak. Max stamina equals 100. Drain per second equals 25 for how fast stamina drains. Recover per second equals 18 for how fast it recovers. Recover delay equals 1.2 seconds before recovery starts. Sprint speed equals 24, and default walk speed equals 16. These make the sprint feel balanced, and you can adjust them later. The script also listens for when the character spawns and gets the humanoid, so sprinting works after respawn. For input, when you press left shift or right shift, if you have stamina, it sets is sprinting equals true. When you release shift, it stops sprinting and records the time. The main loop runs every frame. If you're sprinting and moving, the script sets your walk speed to sprint speed and drains stamina. If stamina hits 0, you stop sprinting. When you're not sprinting, the walk speed goes back to normal. After the short delay, stamina starts recovering until it's full again. Finally, every frame the script updates the bar, shrinking bar fill and updating bar text to show the current percentage. Now click play to test. Walk with WASD, hold shift, your character runs faster and the bar drains. Release shift, the bar recovers. And that's it. Your sprint system is working. You can customize this easily by changing the values at the top of the script. Want players to sprint longer? Increase max stamina. Want sprinting to be riskier? Increase drain per second. You can also change the color of bar fill, add gradients, or even animate the bar for extra polish. And that's how you make a sprint system with a stamina bar in Roblox Studio, step by step. Super simple, fully functional, and ready to use in your games. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.